KT session. How to create a release branch from branch on GitHub complete process. Click Main. Click Find or create a branch. Fill release version 1.1.1 or any release and version number. Click Create Branch. Release version 1.1.1, check it should be created from main branch. After Create Release Branch, click Pull Requests from Develop to Release Branch which have created. Click New Pull Request. Click Main and change the branch name from Develop because our all changes is inside the Develop branch. Click Develop. Click Main. Click Release version 1.1.1. Check you all changes is good for release or not. After review all things looks good, then click Create Pull Request. Click Develop, write the proper message. Fill Merge Develop branch with Release branch. Click Leave a comment. Fill Merge Develop branch with Release branch BCZ package release. Click Request. Click Labels. Choose what you have done in this release, like in my I will click Enhancement, New Feature or Request. Click Projects. It's not necessary to select, but for better tracking history it's good for us. Click Create Pull Request. As I am an admin and this branch is not protected yet, but in your case you have to wait for the approval. Then you can able to click Merge Pull Request. Click Merge. Click Code. Click Release version 1.1.1. Click Package, JSON. Click here and edit the package version number for release. Click Commit Changes. Write you commit message like what you have updated. Click Sign Off and Commit Changes. Click Code. Now it's time to create a release tag, so click on Releases. Click Draft a new release. Click Choose a tag. Fill version number like this, version 1.1.1. Click Create New Tag. Click Release Title. Fill release version 1.1.1. Click Describe this release. You can also use auto-generate by click Generate Release Notes. Click Preview. Click Create a discussion for this release. People will be able to leave comments and reactions on this release using discussions. Click Publish Release. Hooray, you have successfully released. Now it's time to merge all change into main branch, so click Compare and Pull Request. Click Release version 1.1.1. Fill message like this after release, merge into main release version 1.1.1. Review all the changes and then generate the PR. Click Create Pull Request.